Hello again, everyone. Today I'm actually going to do this tutorial due to a few requests that I've noticed in the Metaverse Facebook group. I've noticed that some of our community members have been having trouble getting started again, but in particular the Android users are not all certain how to share their screens onto their computer. So today I'm going to actually do a step-by-step experience that will show the Android users where they can go to get resources that will help them mirror their screens. Now, for anyone else who has other resources that you would like to share, I'm also going to be creating this video as a way of explaining how you can make a resource sharing tutorial on not a resource sharing tutorial, but a resource sharing experience with Metaverse. As always, you want to be very descriptive in your character blocks. And with most of the resources that I found, I just did some research on the internet. I used to be an Android user myself, however, so a lot of these places, these resources, it's old information, it's things that I was already aware of. However, if you're looking for different resources, I suggest that the best way to start your search is by asking, how do you share your screen from Android to PC? As mentioned in step 1, the first thing you want to do is download the Allcast receiver extension for Chrome, and it's specifically for Chrome. So if you're not using Google Chrome already, then I would suggest you download it for free, and this extension will allow you to project things from your phone onto a computer. However, it's a receiver, so you're essentially going to need something that will send out the signal in the first place. To that end, we have step 2, which is the mirror app for the Android. What you're going to have to do is go onto the Google Play Store to download this one. Be sure to go to the Google Play Store on your phone. I'm doing it on my PC because I need to get the URL for the video, for the experience. But go to the Google Play Store on your phone and download it, the mirror app for there. The next step that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make sure that that your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now, I know that this is one of those things that we all, phones automatically sync up to Wi-Fi networks and such. So this is stuff that people may have forgotten or might not be too savvy on. And when you're doing stuff like that, I always suggest that you give an example in your experience. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to add a web view experience of what the Wi-Fi page on most Androids would look like. As you can see, it has a bunch of made-up names, but I think they will get the general idea, and then that way they'll be able to follow along if they didn't understand before. Lastly, in step 4, you're going to want to detail however it is that the screen sharing service will work with Allcast matching the Mirror app. What you have to do is you have to launch both Allcast and Mirror on your phones. You already need to have them up, and then you need to use your phone to seek out the Allcast receiver signal, and it will be labeled as Chrome followed by a bunch of numbers. Those numbers are your IP address. Right. So with everything else in order, it's time to test out the experience. So we're going to make sure if this experience leads our users to where we need them to go to. And it looks like everything checks out. So this video is for the Android users who are having trouble sharing their devices. I hope this video helps. If you need more clarification, as always, don't hesitate to contact me on the Facebook page. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.